In this tutorial, we're going to insert a new coordinate system. You know that the origin here is the original coordinate axis of the SolidWorks, where it starts from point 0, 0, 0, but sometimes you need to insert coordinate system to be a reference for some sketches that we're going to use the coordinate system in the next tutorial as an example, how to use it as a reference. So let's try to make a block here. If you look here, this is point 0, 0. I'll give it some dimension to be 100 by 100 by 100. Now let's extrude it. Okay, so in principle the origin is in that point, but now let's insert a new coordinate system. To do that, go to reference geometry, coordinate system. Now here it'll ask you to choose the new origin, so let's pick that origin. Now you see the new coordinate system. This is the X, Y set by default, but here you are able to select another. So let's select this to be the X, Y be that one but on the reverse direction. So here we have X and Y, and Z is fine here. Okay, so here you have a new coordinate system. We're starting from 0. So you will wonder how you're going to use that. In the next tutorial, we're going to use the table driven pattern, and the coordinate system will be helpful in that case. So see you in the next tutorial.